Good morning, students. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the expert system. This is one of the subsystem of information system. So in the previous classes, right, in the previous video, we have discussed about the fundamentals of IS and IT. And then we discussed about how IS as well as IT components and resources are used for the companies for various purposes. And then we discussed about the various subsystem of IS like TPS, transaction processing system, decision support system, and how those systems are helpful for the companies. Now, in this video, export system, right? This is also one of the applications of the computer, right? Which is helpful for the companies to know about the expertise, right? For example, you may work with the various technology, right? It's like a human robots, right? And human experts are like applying any AI, right? So with the help of this, the systems can able to give you a results, can able to generate the outcomes according to the task or according to the data what you're giving. So here it is one of the computer applications and which will be helpful for the companies to give a solutions as well as guide them on the particular task, right? So where the particular system has been expertise in the particular domain, right? For example, since Apple's Siri, right? It's one of the expert systems where it is helpful for the companies, right, to take an effective decisions, right? Instead of human beings, the systems plays a vital role in giving effective decisions for them. And also you have a CA, which is an expert system to detect the cancers at the early stage itself. So like there are many things are there. So what is the activity of those systems? So the first important things is it will able to get the knowledge from the various sources, right? Acquisition of the knowledge. And then it represent that particular systems, how it's going to uh, take it, how it's going to construct, how it's going to understand according to the language of the systems, right? And then it's going to give interpretations, knowledge inference, going to give you results, going to give you output. And that can be transferred to the individual user or final user. So this is how the activities of export system. And this is the process of what is called export system. So you may collect. So first thing is you should have the base, knowledge base should be there. So without the knowledge base, export system will not work out. For example, if you take computer. So a computer has its own language, right? And it has been coded with a different algorithm, different language. So you have a COBOL user, we have now C, C++, .NET, Java, programming, algorithm, coding language. So according to that, so it will accept it. So like that, there is a base, knowledge base is for every export system, like facts and rules, which domain you're going to work. If you're going to work with the account sections, finance section, so it should understand the language according to the terms what you're going to use in accounts and finance, like dollar sign or rupees or quantity data, count, or whatever it is. That comes under the knowledge base. So with that knowledge base, right, use the knowledge individually or the person who is expertise in that will be working out with those data. And what are the things that you have to refine it? That means changing its format. If the particular data or the particular files are in this particular format, the system will not take it. The system needs the data or any files in this format. So the users or the administrator or the expert member will be refining it, and then it will be going for an application purpose to find out whether it is helpful for usage or not. So after going applying in the workplace, like after application purpose, then they'll be coming out to the conclusion, right? This systems or this file, this data or this forums will be helpful for this purpose. And this need this kind of a data. And this can be given as an input in this language, right? In this format, in this type. So after giving this interpretations and recommendations, so final users can able to use the expert system. So this is how the process of expert systems will be work in the company, right? It will differ according to the domain, according to the fields of the organization as well as according to the department, right? So this is what the basic concept of what is called expert system. So we will discuss very detailedly in the next upcoming videos with the practical exposure. Thank you.